Take a look at this, Rick Peterson. You get an understanding now of just how low that cloud deck is, about 900 feet.
Look at this, look at this.
They're well underneath it though.
Aarron's got the smoke on now. Now they're going to do the mustache. They're going to turn to the right, and they're going to turn to the left. Give me the top view. We'll watch that. Make it look beautiful. There you go.
Yeah, right there on the top pass.
Oh, look at that. And Aarron's going to break free here in just a moment. He breaks, and he begins an aggressive aerobatic maneuver.